Next off, we will discuss what will happen if Mars collided with the Earth. As we know, there are many planets orbiting the Sun in our solar system. One of these planets is Mars. In today's scientifically video, we will talk about what will happen if the planet Mars collided with Earth. Stick around until the end to learn when this could possibly happen. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun. Its diameter is about 6,800 kilometers, which is about half the diameter of the Earth. So what would happen to Earth if Mars collided with Earth? Because Mars is so much smaller than Earth, it would sink into the Earth's surface if it collided with it. Its collision with the Earth will generate a tremendous amount of energy, and this energy will be so intense that the temperature of the entire planet will increase dramatically. The Earth would essentially become a ball of fire. When Mars collides with the Earth, the copper and other metals in the Earth would melt completely due to the heat, raising the temperature even higher. This would also release various types of toxic gases, which will also be produced, making it impossible for a person to breathe. As a result, there will be no place on Earth in this area that is protected from the heat, making it impossible for any living thing to withstand such extreme heat. There would be no place left on the planet that would be habitable for humans. Our solar system's future could be violent. Different simulation studies show that there is a slim chance that a disruption in planetary orbits will result in a collision between Earth and Mars over the next billion years.